Fixer family, it's Charmin. And since yesterday was the first day of spring, I thought that I would bring you this simple, easy tutorial on how to make this nest and robin eggs. Welcome to Fixin' 2. Well, Fixer family, I hope that this video finds you guys doing so well. And I know that our country right now is in a state of emergency and everybody is kind of trying to keep their social distancing. And some people are working from home, including myself. And, others are just trying their best to keep a positive attitude during this different and crazy time that we're going through right now. But guys, look for the silver lining in what's going on. Get some projects done. Spend close time with your immediate family. Do some projects together. Honey, if you're like me, I'm trying to get some things done around here. But it is definitely a different time in our country. But guys, we're going to get through this. We're going to come through this stronger and better than we ever were before. And today, since we're just jumping into spring, I thought that I would bring you something that is spring related. I know you've seen these on Pinterest and out there, and I definitely myself have been wanting to make these for my spring decor, and it's these cute little nests, and they are so simple to make, so simple. So let's get into how we're going to put these together. Here are some items that we're going to use for this project. Now, I picked these up at Big Lots, paid like $3 for them. They're just little candlesticks and they were on clearance, and we'll be using those, but you don't necessarily have to. We're going to be using this Spanish moss that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Also these little glitter eggs that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using this blue paint from Apple Barrel, and also black acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, and of course paintbrush. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our eggs, and I'm going to be making 2 nests, and so I want 3 eggs per nest. And really and truly the color doesn't really matter. I kind of was trying to pick, I think, the lighter colors or something, but anyway, it really doesn't matter which ones of these you use, but I just pulled out 6 of them. And really simply, the little ribbons that are on the ends of them pull out so easy. I mean, you just barely tug them and they come right out. So I removed all of the ribbon. So now we're just going to get ready to paint these eggs. And the blue that I'm using from Apple Barrel is the blue bonnet blue. Now, it did dry just a little bit darker than I thought it was going to, and you can lighten it up with some white paint, but it really is fine with what I'm doing with this project. I mean, I really like it. So what I'm doing is taking a little skewer, and the little hole where the ribbon came out of, I'm just sticking them on there, kind of help keep some of the paint off my hands, which I'm a crafter. Inevitably, I'm going to get paint on my hands somewhere. So we're just going to get all of these eggs painted this super cute blue color. Now you'll see right here where I'm going to grab another skewer and use it to kind of help get the little egg off of the skewer. But of course, you see I got paint on my hand. So we're going to get all of these painted, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make these cute little speckly robin eggs. Of course, I'm going to, before we do the speckling, I'm going to use my hair dryer once again to get these dried quickly so that we can move on with our project. So now we're ready to speckle these, and I've taken like a paper top box. You can, do it wherever you feel comfortable doing it. And I just took a little bit of water and some black paint and just basically took the paintbrush, tried to get the excess off that I could, and I'm going to take and just kind of begin to tap the paintbrush over my eggs. And you'll see that some of these eggs got a little maybe like too big of the speckles, and it ran just a little bit because it was the first of it. And you can fix that, very easily fix that. Once you get your eggs pretty much speckled over, the ones that you want to fix, I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna dab off, since it's still a little wet, go ahead and dab that off, and then I'm just gonna repaint it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my blue and just paint right over it, and then I will speckle it once again. Ready to make our cute little nest for these eggs. And I'm going to take my Spanish moss, and there's really no like exact measurement of what you're looking for. Of course, the more moss you use, the bigger the nest; the less you use, the smaller the nest. And so I'm just going to tear off some of this moss in kind of the size that I'm looking for. And I kind of pull it to where it's long ways like this, and then I'm going to circle it around, and I hope this makes sense, and then just begin to work it with my hands. I'm going to tuck, pull, and just begin to kind of make a bowl underneath it kind of with my fingers, and begin to just kind of work it to where it all comes together. You can kind of see where it's starting to form that little nest area down in the middle. And you'll just kind of play with it, mold it, shape it, fix it, and it's really that simple. Once you get it the size you're looking for, you get it to where it's all together, then we're going to get our little eggs and place them inside. How stinking cute is this nest? I love it. And again, guys, it's less than $1 to make it because you're not using all of your products. And here are the two ways that you can do these. You can just have the nest by itself, or you can place it on a candle stand like I have here. Really make it your own. Fun and so simple. These are so easy to make, and I'm sure that if you don't have these supplies available, there are different things out there that you can do. And of course, you don't have to put it on the stand like I said before. You can just make the nest and stick them anywhere you want to. You can even use these as part of your tablescape for your Easter and spring decor. But this has been so fun, and I hope you enjoyed making these nests together today. I know, again, that this is just definitely a time where everyone is talking about the situation that's going on in our country right now. But guys, stay positive. Keep your head up. This too shall pass. I know sometimes it may feel like a kidney stone, but it will pass. And again, I will say, we're going to come out stronger and better than ever before. We're going to wake up in the morning and it'll be a new day with new opportunities. So make the best of it. And if this is the first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm glad that you stopped by to take a look around. Consider becoming a part of the Fixer family and hitting that subscribe button right here and the notification bell that's right next to it. And that way you'll be notified each time I upload new videos. I do videos every Friday, and I throw bonus videos in there from time to time. Well, guys, know that I love you so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And also know that I am praying for you during this uncertainty in our nation right now. And guys, again, we are going to get through this and come out better than ever, stronger than ever. Always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.